Okay guys, this is a 2021 Ram 3500 four-wheel drive diesel 6.7 liter with a toolbox on the back. It is a rebuilt title. This was a battery fire basically, so no accident, but this area was burned, so they had to, I think, replace the hood. Actually, I don't even know if the hood was done because they got stickers on there, but super easy fix. Only took them a couple days to fix. Let me start it up here for you before I walk around it. About 94,000 miles on it. Four-wheel drive, all your auxiliaries, backup camera, steering wheel controls. It's got the leather seats, the 6 seat belts. There's all your truck boxes here. Tires. These truck beds are about 15 grand to purchase. It's a 10-foot bed, spare tire, tow package. No blow by.